Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilongi khubor bamta kasni. Ka kinhon yele kai football jungkari Maldive kabla 1 point hanong ba Shillong ban yele kai paralong bar ka kinhon India kabanong la shai kasni balang ka khat khandai turik urisau HJN Stadium polo. Kani ka jingya khun kabla khmi linti bha kanong ka jingya khun kaba kongsan bha na ka benta baro artali ki kinhon kat ba ki dang pynkhreh ye ki jingya le kai ki ban sawan. Ha ka jingya kendu shakilat pathai khubor HJN Stadium u coach ka Maldive u Ali Suzain u lapen pau ye ka jing snotenat ye ka Shillong tham tam ye ka jinglong ka sun beneng kaba itenat kaba ula batai bakalong kaba biang bha na ka benta ka jingya le kai football. Ulapan pau bagi jinglong jingman kenong giba mentoy na ka benta kinong yele kai jong u bat pen pau ye ka jing shania ha ka jing yele kai jongki. Haba kli shapang ka jing klan jong ka kinhon usu zain ulapan tikna babaro kinong yele kai ba kongsan kila let jinglen bat ka kinhon bat kidon ha ka met ka babiang bha. Kila pynkhreh pura na ka benta ka jing yakun ka bansawan persya ye ka India. Da ka ba pynkhreh ya baro artali ki kinhon ban yakun kinong kershan football ha Shillong ki apkhmi lenti ya kani ka jingele kai ka ba paunam ha ka perthei.
There are a lot of factors. Maybe still we don't have the enough quality to arrive to the level that everyone is expecting. But again, finally, this is a process, and I feel that in the future, but I don't know if it will be 10, 15 or 25 years. In the future, if India starts to work from the grassroots again, India will get good results for sure. In Indian football, practically, yes, there are some strikers, but they are not starters. People speak about I-League. Okay, my opinion, there is difference between I-League and ISL, and my opinion, when you arrive to top level, you have to play against the strongest opposition, and the strongest opposition in India is ISL. Then to play 2, 3, 4, 5 good games in I-League is not enough. You need to perform good in ISL, but it's a chain, no? Because you can tell me, yeah, but if there are no strikers in ISL, yeah. But maybe there are strikers, but practically they don't have, they don't play. They play few minutes. But there are, and the other thing is that there are a lot of players that they are strikers, and because in ISL everyone play with foreigners in this position, they are playing as a winger. But Irfan, for example, is a striker. He's playing as a winger, but he is a striker.
Yes. We can handshake. Yeah. Photographers at the back. Photographers, please sit down. Parashar, please.